very good afternoon to our lecturer, Dr. Azmi, and to my fellow friends. I am Satish Kumar from Technical Writing Class, Section 26, going to present our research regarding investigating the construct of anxiety in relation to speaking skills among UTC low achievers in UTC. The first part of the research is the introduction part. Muet speaking test. Why Muet speaking test? Muet speaking test contributes the significant marks to the Muet overall, and it consists of a higher weightage in calculating the Muet bank. Okay. The score next. The scoring rates of university students in UTC at tertiary level are still relatively poor. Okay. In terms of that, what is anxiety factor? It is vital to know what is anxiety factor to carry out this research efficiently. Okay. So what is anxiety? Anxiety is feeling of worry of an uncertain outcome. In terms of psychiatry, it is also known as nervous disorder. Okay. So that is anxiety. So why anxiety factors are analyzed by us for this research? Because anxiety is worthy of the investigation, because it is a factor that influences the communicative competence overall. Okay. So why is the speaking skills is so important, and they are stressing that for their undergraduates? Okay. Because the ability to speak fluently is the criteria that is most expected by the employees during the interview. So when you have a good speaking skill, you tend to have higher employability rate. Okay, the second part of this research is the problem statement. Okay, in problem statement, we identify the problems like how anxiety affects speaking skills. In the learning of the language skills, speaking appears to be the main source of anxiety, according to Karamida 2009. Okay, he supported this notion. Let me give brief explanation to that. Students with a high level of anxiety mostly perform poorly during their oral tests, or in our case, is speaking test. Okay. Initially, they would feel nervous and stumble up when they give speech. I mean by when they talk in their speaking test. Taking their speaking test. Okay. Okay. The next important part of this research is research objective. The central objective of this study is to explore anxiety experience of relation generally. Okay. We go to our first objective, 3.1. That is to study the anxiety level of low graduate candidates of University Tun Usinon of Malaysia towards speaking in English and taking speaking tests in English. That is our first objective. Okay, now we move on to the second objective, 3.2, to study the difference between students' level of anxiety according to race towards speaking in English and taking a speaking test in English.
Okay, now the research question. What was the main reason for the students scared speaking in English? Second, what was the level of anxiety of low-graded candidates towards speaking in English? Third, what was the difference in level of anxiety among races?
Okay, now I will explain about the significance of study for the anxiety. Okay, this study focuses on the reason why students who set the examination in the get the worst while undergoing speaking test. Okay, this study also involves students who score band 1 and band 2. Okay, that is time. English is the primary language. It is not only the activity touched by British imperialism, but also many business and culture sphere dominated by countries. Okay. In many countries, children are encouraged to learn talk and English as their second language. At the university level, students study in many countries almost all subjects in English for making accessible important step for international students.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dini Akmal bin Muhammad Zaid. I will continue the presentation for limitation of research for my research paper, for my group research paper. Okay, so for the limitation is previous research deal with issue faced by master level student in speaking English, and the chosen sample was all master student, and the research for the previous research were at the UPM. So their sample was UPM student. Okay, however, for our research focusing on investigating the construct of anxiety in relation to speaking skill among MUAT low achiever in ETHM, and the chosen sample is any undergraduate student who obtain Band 1 and Band 2 in their MUAT result.
Okay, next is methodology. Okay, methodology is the first one is research setting. Okay, this research is carried out at the University Indonesia of Malaysia. Okay, the next one is population and sampling plan. Okay, undergraduate student who score Band 1 and Band 2 in MUAT exam. Okay, out of this population, we decide to get at least 30 students from any faculty, race, gender, and age in UTHM as our respondent. Okay, last one is this can be done with glucose sampling method. We pick up students from each faculty from our personal network.
Today, I want to explain about the research instrument and data analysis. Firstly, the questionnaire used for study is have of two parts, part A and part B. And the second, the first part was to investigate the participant background information, including the level influent speak English Band 1 and Band 2, and major gender, men and boys, hometown and average age. And third, the second part was designed based on previous study. The section have 25 of a statement, taking the form of 5 Likert scale. The number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is strongly disagree, not sure, agree, strongly agree, and respectfully. For the next slide, I want to explain about the data collection and analysis. Firstly, we dispute a questionnaire of average student. Chosen scope of all student years from 1 until 4, and only 3 faculty we choose FKMP, FPK and STPI, and we are to distribute 40 copies and questionnaire we are collect, and which 10 we are invalid. Thus we are include. This is 30 questionnaire we are valid for current student study.
Okay, I will continue for the analysis and discussion for the part A. Okay, for the first one is we distribute 50 questionnaire, and we only get 30 questionnaire that really can be used to collect the data and make the analysis. Okay, from the 30 questionnaire, for the part A is we ask the participant about their personal information, including gender, race, age, year of study, and which faculty they are from. Okay, for our participant gender, the majority is male, around 66.7%, and the minority is female, 10%. Okay, so for the race, the majority is come from Malay. Usually for Band 1 and Band 2, Malay is the highest one compared to the other races. And then for the age, usually from 3rd and 4th year student, they are already repair their MUET result. So mostly they are band 3 and above already. So as we can see,
Question analysis. Okay, in this section we have analysed the result of 4 of the question from the survey. Okay, the survey has been completed by the respondent which come from eligibility invitation. Okay, we use 5 grades. Okay, the first one is strongly disagree, second one is disagree, the one is neutral, the fourth one agree, and lastly is strongly agree. Okay, let's see the first question. Okay, the first question is I never feel sure of myself when I am speaking English. Okay, from the result individual, it can be seen 40% of the respondents strongly agree that they are never feel sure of themselves when they speak in English. The result is higher by below by 28% for the agree answer. So the total agree and strongly agree is 68%. Okay, the result is higher for lower. Okay, the result answer that any other result when there are 60% of respondents who natural with the statement, followed by 50% respondents who disagree with it, and only 1% of the respondents are really disagree, which means they do not have any problem when they speak in English. Okay, the second question is question 35. Okay, question 35, the question is the more I study for speaking in English, the more confused I get. Okay, from the figure, we half of the respondents really disagree. They disagree for this question. When they are asked this question, it shows that most of the respondents are worried when they are making mistakes. The data followed by the disagree answer with 10%. The number of respondents who agree with the question only record 11% and 13%. Okay. The one is the question. The question is I feel nervous speaking to native speaker of English. To answer this for question 3, the majority of participants are strongly agree about they are nervous towards speaking in English to native speaker. It is 60% will agree, constituting 25%. The respondents who are answered the question with strongly disagree only record small percentage, which is 1% and 4%. Okay, the last question that we pick is the fourth question. The question is I start to panic when I have to speak without preparation in English. Okay, based on the figure and analysis on respondents, they panic when they have to speak without preparation in English. The descriptive data indicate that of the respondents at a high level of knowledge towards speaking in English, it is 53%. Okay, 8% of the respondents experience a low level of knowledge, and 3% of them strongly disagree with this question.
Okay. As a conclusion, lower grade point student invitation seems to having a difficulty when they have to speak or take a speaking test in English. This is because they are affected by anxiety due to lack of confidence and get panic when speaking English. From the data we gathered from the T-test, there was a significant difference between Malay student and non-Malay student of University Commission of Nation with regard to anxiety in speaking in English and taking a speaking test in English. Number of Malay students have higher level of anxiety compared to non-Malay students, Chinese, Indian, and others.
Today, I want to talk about the recommendation of anxiety speaking to skill at UTHM. Recommendation we have 4. So the firstly, view the percentage of students who enter the university before the band play mostly not 3. The band 3 is the minimum requirement for students to grade when religious relation. So first student come to university, mostly we are must to band 3, but some student and others institute get not a band 3. So student must to follow a class, a foundation class at UTHM. And second, a lecture season, students are required to speak the language of English language to ensure that they always interact with each other to increase their level confidence when talking with others. So we are to suggest to communicate other friends to give to good speak English. Third, results show a highest male student get a lower band. They may be less serious on the importance of English language. And fourth, make the exercise of listening to song while in lyric or even talking of myself in the mirror to see how we in the front on television. There is example to teaching to student to give strength and to confident level to speak in others. That's all.